The Cat in the Hat by Dr. Seuss. The sun did not shine. It was too wet to play. So we sat in the house all that cold, cold, wet day.
I will show them to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do.
Sally and I, we saw all the things fall.
Do you hear? I saw her. Your mother is near.